Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change your phone number in the Instagram app. Please, friends, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video and also write your comments. And let's get on with the topic, friends. Open up the Instagram app on your device. Next, friends, you will need to go to your page. And now at the top, tap on the three bars to go further into Settings and Privacy. Here in Settings, you will need to go to Meta Account Center. So please click right here. Next, scroll down a little bit and select the Personal Information option. Now select the Contact Info option. And here you will be able to find your phone number that is attached to your Instagram page. If you don't have a phone number here, then you can also add it. So friends, first of all, you can add a new phone number. To do that, click Add New Contact. Select Add Cell Phone Number. After that, enter your new mobile number in this line. Next, select the Instagram page that you want to attach this number to. After that, click Next at the bottom and you will automatically save the changes. And you can easily delete the old phone number by clicking on it and clicking Delete Number and confirming the action if you click Delete. Friends, this is the quick and easy way you can easily change your phone number in Instagram app. I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful for you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.